people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwatosin Abike. If you're new to this channel or you see my face for the first time, kindly subscribe please and put on the notification bell so you can get notification every time I post a new video. And to my whole subscribers, thank you very much. Thank you for being part of the big happy family. You know, guys, happy new year 2021. You know, I'm so grateful for seeing today. I'm happy for all of us because a lot of people started 2020 with us and they're not here today. You know, I'm just saying it as a way to be grateful to God, you know. So in any situation we find ourselves, we should just be grateful to be alive. So I do pray that this year will be a better, much better year. I pray for divine protection from God for all of us because this COVID has really destroyed a lot of homes, you know. So all we can do really is do our part by wearing our mask, our gloves, you know, whenever we do need to go out, because a lot of parts and different parts in the UK are actually under lockdown. So you should really travel if you need to, you know. So if it's about your skincare products, just leave all that for us because we do deliveries. So just holler at your girl, you know. Let me know what your skin problem is and I'm glad to help, you know. So we can just post it to you. I don't think you really need to do unnecessary traveling if you don't have to, you know. So guys, let me dive right into today's video. The product I want to talk to you guys today about is Veet Gold oils. You know, there's like up to 10 or even more of the oils, but I'm going to try and list the oils in the description box below. So the oils whitens, some of them treat green veins, some of them treat acne, some of them works for stretch marks, some of them works for dark spots. You know, the oils are very good, you know. So you just need to look at the ingredients and see which one you would like, you know. I personally use the oil as well, you know, because I use a lot of supplements, as some of you might know, you know. So I do use the oil to moist my skin, you know. I don't use body lotion all the time. I use oil more than body lotion. I have few of the oils with me today, but I'm just going to talk about few of them, and then in the next video I can talk more about the rest of them, you know. So one of the one I have here is snail white miracle oil, face and body oil. I love this oil, guys. This is the one I'm currently using and I'm in love with it. I really like it. I use it on my face and my body, you know, and it has the whitening effect. It clears dark spots, whitens, clears sunburns, anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, anti-acne as well. So I guess if you're worried about oil giving you acne or anything like that, or breaking you out, maybe you can try this this particular one. You know, there's different one of it, like I said before. You know, another one that I have here is the rose water oil. So the rose oil is for body and face as well. It's a polishing body corrector oil. You know, it even though it says whitening on it, I think the oil is more for glowing. I don't think it's a whitening oil. So a darker skin person can use it as well. A darker skin person that just wants a glowing skin, or you want your skin to glow. You don't want to alter your skin color, you know, but you want that glowing effect. You know, you can use the oils. It's quite safe. I mean, the oils don't really have much of a whitening effect to it, to be honest, my honest opinion, you know. But I do know that they're good for glowing and body correctors, you know, because like this one says whitening, tones, rejuvenate, cleanses, purify, clear spots, oil control, and all skin types. So different skin types can use the oil, you know. So it's made for all skin type. Like I said, it's not much of a whitening oil, but for the glowing, yes, it makes your skin look popping, you know. So so depending on what you want to treat, then you can look at the ingredients in the oils. or look at the benefits that it actually listed out in front of the oils, so you can know which of the oil you want to go for. Another one I'm just going to talk about as well is the egg yolk oil, and this one obviously is for face and body as well. And this one actually says clears skin infection, heals dry skin, treats skin infections. So if you feel like, or if you know that you're suffering from this things like any skin infection, you can give this oil a try, you know, and see if it works for your particular issue. Another one of the oil is the black spot corrector oil, you know, and it's called lemongrass. You know, this one has SPF 15 as well. All the oil has SPF 15 on them. This one also works for skin infections, dark spots, wrinkles, and pimples. So if you're suffering from pimples, or you have any sort of skin infections, you can give this a try as well. One thing I know for sure is all the oils are actually made of different essential oils, you know. So so when you're ready to get the oil, just look at the ingredients and see which one would be beneficial for the particular thing you want it to treat. But if you're looking for a general glow oil, I think you can try any of the oil, you know, and it's quite good, very, very nice oil. So guys, that's it for now for the addition of the Veet Gold oil. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and put on the notification bell, please, so you can get notification every time I post a new video. So guys, please keep safe. Let's do our part. Make sure you wear your mask when you're going out. Wear your gloves. Always wash your hand, please, when you go out, when you come back in, and only travel if you have to. Stay blessed, guys. Until next time, take care of yourself. Bye.